How's it going, guys? This is Forensic Forex with Deontay, and I'm back with another video. This is your daily update on Australian dollar versus US dollar. As we can see, that higher swing low we were talking about in previous episodes has been broken. So that makes my mindset go back to, is this a bearish momentum shift? Is the market makers now going net short instead of net long? Because we can see we have a lower swing high here. 1, 2, 3. There's a lower high on the left and a lower high on the right. That makes that a swing high. But it's lower than the recent one that we have here, while breaking a swing low formation. We broke that on Friday. In previous episodes, I was suspecting higher price action because we broke a swing high here, price coming up, this candle breaks it here, then we get a higher swing low compared to this lower swing low. Instead, we could see a purge and revert. Price comes up, takes out the previous daily high on Wednesday and Tuesday, then the next day on Friday, it reverts quickly. So it goes to buy side, eats into that, and then runs right back down and eats into sell side, taking out the previous daily low here and here. So two lows here as well. Friday is the break on the swing low. So now my thought process is bearish shift is unfolding. I want to see if price is going to take out previous daily lows at this point and reach down to this lower swing low. We're above April's opening price, which is still a premium. We also broke the 20-day high here for the IPTA look back for April. So looking at April 3rd and counting back 20 days, we would arrive at March 6th. We can see that this is the 20-day low, which is why I have the dollar sign underneath it, sell side liquidity here. There's also swing lows here that haven't been broken here and here. And now we have this one here that may be another target to the downside. So high probability sell scenarios unfold above April's opening price. High probability buy scenarios unfold below April's opening price. So the monthly opening price is normally going to be your indication of overbought or oversold. And that's a very helpful each trading month. However, we can see we've been in consolidation for a while now for AU. So last month, March, consolidation. Same thing going into April, we're still consolidating. So AU has been giving me a run for my money because it hasn't really been giving me trending environment. You can see here for February how price action is showing lower swing lows and lower swing highs. The price action is flowing. Here we can see that price action looks like it wants to get going long and then it stalls out. And then it looks like it wants to go short and then it stalls out. So they're just building up and accumulating orders at this point. To further speculate if AU is truly going to go bearish, I would like to look at its siblings. So its brothers or sisters or cousins or whatever you want to call it. I would look at EU and GU because they are correlated. They're not inversely correlated. They're directly correlated. So if GU goes up, EU most likely goes up as well. And then AU most likely goes up as well. So these are the majors. Anything crossed with the dollar. We can see EU, instead of breaking a swing low like AU, it goes up and takes out previous daily highs. Same thing for British pound versus US dollar. Instead of taking out a swing low, it's making a higher swing low and it's going up higher. So out of the three majors here, two are following code. The other is doing something completely different. So what's going on with AU? We may have the SMT divergent on our hand here. Now, what I will look at is the DXY, see if it's going higher or lower while AU is going down. If it's going down, AU dollar should be going up, and we can see it's actually going down instead. So something's not right. How is AU breaking previous daily lows and DXY is breaking previous daily lows? That's not correct. Shouldn't they be moving opposite? Absolutely. DXY should be making a higher high right now or breaking a previous daily high while AU is breaking a previous daily low. So there's definitely an SMT on our hands. What I will further now do is look at UJ, UCAD, and USWISSY and see if they're going down. I can see here recently, price has traded off that bullish order block that we've seen earlier. And we can see we're trading back up into that SIBI right here again. I've been eyeballing it for a while. We hit that bullish order block and we can see price is making price structure higher. And how is it doing it? It's making higher swing lows and higher swing highs. So when price breaks a swing high formation, which you see here in this red line here, this red line is a swing high. When it's broken here, what happens after it? We get a higher swing low right here. 1, 2, 3. There's a higher low on the left and a higher low on the right. Same thing occurs. Price comes up, takes out another swing high here. It gets close to this one, I think, or just breaks it. And check the highs. 135, 140. So yeah, it breaks two swing highs. So it even breaks this swing high here, the dash line, and this also right here in the SIBI. So it taps right back into the SIBI once again. And after breaking those swing highs, we also get a higher swing low. This is a lower swing low here, and that's a lower swing low, and that's another lower swing low. And that's all off of this bullish order block. Price range, swing low, swing high, measure that. That's fair value. Price trades down into a discount, out to a trade entry, around the analogy of bullish order block. So more confirmations, price looked to rally. And that would have been a great order block to take. Price going up, also having the fair value gap mixed in with it as well. Now look at UCAD. The price is still going higher, so we just broke a swing high formation. I would suspect a higher swing low should come into play sooner or later if it's going to continue going higher for UCAD at least. And then last but not least, I'll just check Swissy, Swiss franc. And we can see dollar right now is not outpacing the Swiss franc. And I know Swiss franc is a really good currency. They've been doing things very well during COVID and their monetary policy. The central bank is really doing a good job. But besides that, I currently see Swissys down, UCAD's up, UJ's up, and DXY is down. Not good. Normally all of them should be going and moving in the same flow. So if Swissys going up, UJ's most likely going up, and UCAD's most likely going up. And we can see it's going opposite to that. Swissys actually going down. So something is up in the marketplace. Right now, I'm currently still speculating that AU most likely is going to continue following order flow and maybe going lower. So we're coming from a premium and we're going down. But overall, it's really tough this month. AU's been giving me a run for my money because once it starts going, breaking swing highs, and I'm waiting for the higher swing low, we see it stalls out, reverts, and takes out sell side again. It's just been carnage, basically. But this is the life of being a trader. You're going to face some months where things like this just tend to be untradeable, you know? And I tell people all the time, hey, if it doesn't look good, leave it alone, sit on the sidelines, look at another asset class, look at another pair, do something else. The charts are always going to be here forever. You won't. Hopefully this was insightful. Peace.